Good day, beautiful people. Today I'm so excited to share some of my favorite beauty tips and tricks that will make you feel confident and gorgeous. But before we get started, I want to remind you that beauty comes from within. So no matter what your skin type or features are, you are already beautiful just the way you are. This tutorial is about enhancing your natural beauty and making you feel amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm doing here is I'm steaming my face, but that's completely okay if you don't have a steamer. What you can do is you can fill a bowl with hot water and let the steam rise. Cover your head with a towel and place your face over the bowl and stay like this for about 10 minutes. So since I have a steamer, obviously I don't have to follow the rules, but I'm just giving you an easy way out. Anyway, so basically I'm steaming my face for a good 10 to 15 minutes, you can say. So the benefits of using a steamer is that it cleanses the pores and absorbs the products that I'll be using, and it also hydrates and refreshes the skin. I wanted to look cute for this video, but turns out my hair was literally on the way. So what I did, I actually end up clipping my hair behind, and yeah. Anyways, after that, what I do is I put turmeric paste on my face, and this is made of 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of basin, and then I use coffee, obviously 1 teaspoon, and then I use milk. And obviously when it comes to using milk, I wouldn't be using too much milk. I'll be using milk to a point where it's paste-like and creamy. I have so many recipes of how to make this mask, so please do make sure that you check my other videos out. I will be linking this on my page. The benefits for using turmeric is that it has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and inflammation. It is also known to be a natural exfoliant, which helps to remove dead skin cells and brighten the complexion. After putting on my mask, I do steam my face again because I really want the good properties and all that to actually get inside my face, inside my pores. So that is why I actually steam my face in between after every 5 to 10 minutes while I've got the mask on. Anyways, now that my face is finally dry, what I'm going to do is I will be steaming my face again so that I could get all the good properties, like, you know, in my pores. Now this part is completely optional, but what I do here is I basically shave my face with a dermaplaner, and obviously when I do shave my face, I shave with aloe vera gel. Now the reason why I like shaving my face is because every time I shaved my face, my skin looked really smooth, and it also exfoliates my face very gently. Like, I also noticed that my products literally penetrates in my skin like very nicely, and I've also noticed how well my makeup sits on my face. Like, it literally looks like skin when I put makeup on. So how you want to start off is by putting a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face, and then use a facial razor to shave in the direction of your hair growth. The reason why I like using aloe vera gel is because it has soothing and hydrating properties, which can help to prevent razor burn and irritation. Shaving can also help to remove dead skin cells and peach fuzz, creating a smoother, brighter complexion. So what I do here is I basically take my Nivea face cream and then I massage my face. I go on the upward direction of my jawline so that I will have like a fine shape, like my face looks sharp anyways. And then what I do is I end up using my gua sha, my face tool. It's something that I always use. I always massage my face with this, as then again, it does give you a defined look. Your face looks more sharper, your neck looks thinner, your face looks thinner. It's perfect. So that is why I would always use gua sha in this case. And then basically what I do is I kind of do a flick so that my smile lines would go away. And then what I do is I hold my chin and then I go on the opposite direction so that obviously my skin doesn't get like that unnecessary pull and it doesn't have any kind of force or pressure. And then I do the same on the opposite side as well. In 2017, it showed that there were participants who had their face massaged. They also used a cream. It showed that the cream worked really well and there was less sagging and less wrinkles. Also, it showed that people who massaged their face had a lot of blood flow and less acne. Researchers from 2002 found that 59% of women who had their facial massage reported a feeling of freshness and rejuvenation. About 50% of women experienced skin tightening. Plenty of evidence shows that stimulating your facial muscles can help tighten skin, relieve tight muscles, and boost circulation. Now this part here is completely optional. What I like to do here is I'm going to put some more cream on and I'm actually going to use my LED light. So the one I'll be using is the red one, and the reason why the benefits for using the red one is that it reduces wrinkles, fine lines and age spots. The blue one helps to clear up acne and treats sun damage. The orange one boosts collagen production, reduces inflammation and stimulates circulation. Did I sleep while I was doing my LED light therapy? Yes, I did. I was so tired and it was just so relaxing. I just slept. Anyways guys, this is what my face looks like. Yes, I was so tired. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!